Hey everyone, and welcome to Graphics Grow. In this video, I will show you how to remove text from an image in Canva. In fact, with the latest AI features, removing text from an image in Canva is simpler than you think. So, let's explore two easy methods to remove or edit text in Canva. With the first method, you can grab a text and even edit it. You know, sometimes you don't just want to erase text, you want to change it. And if you have a paid plan in Canva, there is a feature called Grab Text that makes it possible. So, upload the image with the text you want to edit, drag it on your canvas. Then, select the image and click on the Edit Image in the top menu bar. Here, find the Grab Text feature. Once you click on it, Canva will scan your image and detect any text it can edit. After a few seconds, the AI guesses the font style and separates it from the background for you. Now, you can easily edit the text. Simply grab the text and type the new text you want to add into the image. You can also change the size or font for that. This method works best if you need to replace text while keeping the original design intact. The second method can be used in situations where you need to erase the text completely. And again, you will use an AI feature inside Canva. This time it's called Magic Eraser. This is a tool that helps you remove text and clean up the background. So start by uploading the image you want to edit. Place it on your Canva canvas. Then click on the Edit Image in the top menu bar. Once you click on it, select Magic Eraser from the tools you see. This is a tool we will be using to remove the text, and it is easy to use. It works by brushing over areas you want to erase. So, to use it, first, zoom in to see the text clearly and adjust the brush size to match the size of the text. A smaller brush is best for detailed work, while a larger brush covers big areas. Now, paint over the text you want to remove. In the next step, click Erase, and Canva will fill in the background automatically. The tool uses AI to guess what the background should look like. It might not be perfect the first time, but you can repeat the process. And if part of the text or marks remain, repeat the steps until the image looks clean. Canva lets you reapply the eraser as many times as needed. So, as you see, Canva makes editing images easy even for beginners. You even don't need any experience. With tools like Grab Text and Magic Eraser, you can customize images in minutes. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful, and if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel to get more video tutorials about Canva.